Hello questers. Welcome back to Top 10 Quests. Today we are going to learn about Przewalski's horse, the only truly wild horse species left on Earth. These horses are native to Mongolia and have a very distinct look and behavior. Let's dive into the top 10 facts about Przewalski's horse. Number 10. Przewalski's horse has many names. Przewalski's horse is named after the Russian explorer Nikolai Przewalski, who rediscovered the species for European science in 1878. However, it also goes by several other names, such as Asian wild horse, Mongolian wild horse, Zungarian, and Tuk. Tuk means spirits or holy horses in Mongolian, and reflects the legends and myths that surround these animals in their homeland. Number 9. Przewalski's horse is a subspecies of Equus ferus. Przewalski's horse is a subspecies of Equus ferus, the wild horse, and is considered to be the domestic horse's closest relative. However, they are not the ancestors of domestic horses, as they diverged from a common ancestor between 120,000 and 240,000 years ago. Przewalski's horses have 66 chromosomes, compared to the 64 that domestic horses have. They can produce fertile hybrids with domestic horses, but the hybrids look more like Przewalski's horses. Number 8. Przewalski's horse is smaller and stockier than domestic horses. It has a large head, thick neck and short legs. It is dun-colored with a dark mane, stripe and tail. It has a white belly and dark lower legs with zebra-like stripes. It is about 12 to 14 hands, 48 to 56 inches, 122 to 142 centimeters, tall and weighs around 300 kilograms, 660 pounds. Number 7. Przewalski's horse lives in herds with complex social structures. It has one dominant stallion, several mares and their offspring in a herd. The stallion leads and protects the herd, while the mares care for the foals. They communicate with sounds, gestures and scents. Young males leave their herd and join bachelor groups or form their own herds. Number 6. Przewalski's horse can survive in harsh environments. It lives in the steppes of Central Asia, where it faces extreme temperatures, scarce water and food, and predators. It can dig water from the ground, eat tough grasses, and grow thick coats in winter and shed in summer. Number 5. Przewalski's horse was once extinct in the wild. It used to live throughout Europe and Asia, but humans and livestock reduced its habitat, hunted it, and hybridized it with domestic horses. The last wild Przewalski's horse was seen in 1969 in Mongolia. Some captive horses were kept in zoos and breeding centers. Number 4. Przewalski's horse has been reintroduced to its native habitat since the 1990s. Conservation groups and governments have brought back Przewalski's horses to Mongolia and other places in Central Asia and Eastern Europe. The horses have adapted well to their new environment and formed stable herds. Number 3. Przewalski's horse is still endangered. Despite the reintroduction, Przewalski's horses are still at risk of poaching, habitat loss, disease, inbreeding, climate change and human-wildlife conflict. There are only about 400 wild Przewalski's horses left, with 178 adults. Number 2. Przewalski's horse is important for biodiversity and culture. Przewalski's horse is a unique and valuable part of the steppes ecosystem. It helps maintain the balance by grazing and spreading seeds. It also gives insights into horse evolution and domestication, as it is the only living wild horse. Number 1. Przewalski's horse needs our help. Przewalski's horse is a remarkable species that needs our support to survive. We can help by donating to organizations that protect and reintroduce this species, such as the Foundation for the Preservation and Protection of the Przewalski Horse, the International TAC Group, and the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute. We can also raise awareness and educate others about Przewalski's horse and its plight. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Przewalski's horse. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts. Thank you for watching. Please find references in the description.